Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of stubborn dark spots that just won't go away? You're not alone. Millions deal with acne scars, sunspots, or hyperpigmentation. But here's some good news. You don't need expensive products or harmful chemicals. Today, we're sharing a powerful, 100% natural remedy you can make at home. And yes, it works overnight. Let's dive into this DIY skincare secret. Dark spots or hyperpigmentation occur when your skin produces excess melanin. This can be triggered by acne, sun exposure, hormonal changes, or even minor skin injuries. Most store-bought products contain bleach or harsh chemicals, which can worsen the problem over time. That's why natural remedies are the safer, smarter choice. And many work just as well, if not better. For today's DIY treatment, you'll only need 4 natural ingredients, all known for their skin-repairing benefits. Aloe vera gel soothes, hydrates, and repairs damaged skin. Turmeric powder, a powerful anti-inflammatory and natural brightener. Raw honey, antibacterial and moisturizing, it boosts healing. Fresh lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, it helps lighten dark spots. Optional. If you have sensitive skin, replace lemon juice with rose water. Here's how to make your overnight dark spot remover. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Add a few drops of lemon juice or rose water. Stir until you get a smooth paste. That's it, your natural spot fading cream is ready to use. Before bed, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Apply a thin layer of this mixture directly on the dark spots or affected areas. Avoid the eye area, let it sit for 20 minutes, then gently wipe off any excess with a soft cloth. Don't rinse. Leave the remaining layer on overnight to work its magic. By morning, you'll notice the spots look calmer and the skin visibly brighter. Each ingredient plays a role in restoring your skin naturally. Aloe vera accelerates skin regeneration. Turmeric reduces pigmentation and inflammation. Honey keeps the area moist and fights bacteria. Lemon breaks down excess melanin gently. Together, they fade discoloration and promote even-toned, glowing skin. A few tips to keep in mind. Always do a patch test before full application, especially if you have sensitive skin. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Store any leftover mix in the fridge for up to 3 days. With consistent use, this simple DIY can dramatically reduce dark spots, naturally and safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy and natural skincare remedies. Stay glowing, and see you in the next video.